Hello everyone, myself Ranjan. I'm one of the co-founder of the TestBuddy, and TestBuddy is a Chrome extension which helps QA and developers to report bug 20x faster. So this is the TestBuddy website where we can I'll walk through what it does and what are the benefits of using this tool. So if you know that like what is the current process of reporting a bug. Let's suppose if I'm a QA and if I found a bug, and then what I'll do, I'll take a screenshot or I'll do a screen recording, and then I do annotate that screenshot, and then I'll go to JIRA and upload that screenshot. And again, I have to write all the steps to reproduce and then descriptions, and then I'll create a bug on Jira, okay? And then it will post to Slack, and then it will send to a dev, and then again they will go through all the details and then again try to reproduce. If something will happen, if he's unable to reproduce it, then again he will reach to QA. And this is a big problem where we have seen like if any details is being missed by a QA while adding a bug into a Jira, then again to and fro things happen. So this is because of a poor bug documentations. So this is a problem, and we are trying to solve this problem using TestBuddy. And TestBuddy uh, will help in just three steps. Like once you find a bug, like you just take a screenshot using a Chrome extension, and it will capture all the technical logs, like uh, console logs, network calls, and all the steps also it will cover. And automatically it will attach to your bug. And then integrations is also there when you push a bug, and if you are connected with the Jira, it will automatically create a bug over a Jira. I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'm going to open a website called Airbnb. Take an example like I am testing this Airbnb website. So here we have seen like the listings are there. So let me click here. So I'm seeing all the details here and the price and everything. So let's suppose this calculation is not correct. Okay. So what I'll do, being a tester, I'll take a screenshot. So now I'm going to take a screenshot using TestBuddy. So if you click on that extension, you can see these options. So these options are like capture and annotate a screenshot. This is to take a screenshot. This is to do that screen recording, and I'll talk more on that record a page for instant reply. And you can also enable your microphone or a camera. So for now, I'm going to use the first option, capture and annotate a screenshot. So once you click on it, like it will take a screenshot and it will open in the new page where you can see that whole screenshot has been attached to this bug automatically. And if I want to highlight something, let's suppose I want to highlight this, the total before taxes. If calculation is wrong, I can highlight it, and I'll also put a text over here. Okay, wrong calculation. You can write anything. You can also drag this text so that you can see it clearly. So you can see at the right side, we have an options to put a title for this bug, and you can see the summary. So in summary, you can write any summary like calculation is incorrect. And you can see by default, like it also added the some steps which I have already gone through. So what I did, like I opened this page and then I clicked on 9,000 somewhere. This 9,800. I clicked the text, clicked on total before text, and then I took a screenshot. Okay. So at the bottom, you can see some tabs are there. So basically, I'll just expand the tab and I'll show you what it does. So basically, it captures all the information. So what are the informations? Like general information. The first tab is general information. So it has the details like at what time this bug or a screenshot has been taken. What is the title of this page? And the URL of this page. You can also copy to clipboard from this option. On which OS this bug has been found, browser version, screen size, viewport, and the country. So the next tab is on steps. So steps is like what are the steps I performed before taking the screenshot. All the steps will be captured and comes here. So at the 00 time, I visited this web URL and then I clicked on this text. So all the div and everything will be there. And then at the 10 second after, so I clicked again on the another div and then I took a screenshot and session ended. Okay. You can see console logs. So in console logs, it seems like some error message, something is coming background. And so you can see all the console logs here, like what are the console logs coming here. Network calls, there is no network calls. Test script is basically whatever the steps you have uh, performed, it will convert into a automated code based on the selection of the tools and the language. If Selenium in Java has been selected, if I click on generate, it will generate the Selenium code for this particular steps. So what you can do, you can copy this entire code and go into your framework and add this test case and you can run it, okay? And what is GPT Buddy? So GPT Buddy is basically AI debugger. So basically, it will help developer to fix this bug much faster. So it will ask if you would like to see that recommendation and fixes. If you click on yes, absolutely, it will just analyze all the logs like a console logs, network logs, and then it will give the suggestion. So basically, uh, so you can go through this and entire possible solution it also provides. And if you want to ask any query, you can just put a query and just hit enter, and then it will provide the solution. So this is the one option using a screenshot. You can take a screen. You can report a bug. So how you can do that? Like you can just directly send this bug to Jira, or you can share this bug over a email. So you can just enter your email ID and just click on send. It will send to the email ID. And here is a public URL. If you click on copy link, it will copy to the your clipboard, and that link you can share with anybody. It is a public link, so anyone without logging can access this bug. So this is the first option. Let's suppose now I want to record this entire session, and then so how I can do this? Like I can select in second options, create multi-step screen recording. So I have to select that which screen I have to record. It will run a counter and it will start with the recording. Okay. So here you can see that annotations tools are there. Let me just hide this. So you can use this annotation tools. You can choose a color. You can put a text over here. You can freehand is there. So now, so similarly, you can just the timer is there. And this is for 3 seconds. You can move this anywhere. And now once you stop it, it will again open another tab and the screen recording will be added into the bug. And so you can click on this and it will play the entire session here. You can see that like the if whatever the annotation tools I have used that will also capture. So that has been captured here and all the details, the steps to reproduce and everything are captured here. And the similarly we have on the general info uh, steps has been captured, console logs, network calls. So you can see here some network calls has also been invoked, and in this like you can see all the filters here, like how many fetches are there, how many if errors are there, you can just select on that and it will filter out. And if you click on any of that request, it will show you that general info, the what are the URL, then what are the method and the request header also it will show, and payload it will show what data you are sending to the in the request, and then response also you can see it here. So all the network calls and network details has been, you can also see it easily. And similarly, once you push this bug to Jira or any other tool, even though like it is not limited to Jira, we have an options to integrate with the GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, and ClickUp as well. So once you click and send that bug to any of the bug tracking tool, it will create a bug over there and it will been shared with any and you can share this bug to any of the your developers. So thank you.